To get started with the Expedia affiliate program, the first step is to visit the Expedia website by typing Expedia.com into a search engine like Google. From there, log into an existing profile or register for a new one if needed. The website features a language changer, various property listings, and a search engine to find flights, hotels, and cars, among other things. To access the affiliate program, follow the link affiliate.experiagroup.com/home, which allows users to join the program and start earning commissions immediately. The program provides access to all Expedia Group brands and offers easy-to-use tools. To join, simply click on the Join Now button and enter the required information, including email address, name, last name, and password. Then click Continue to get started. This process is straightforward and allows users to begin using the affiliate program right away.